Hi everyone, welcome back. I am so super excited tonight because my package of my order from the spring catalog finally arrived. We were waiting all day for UPS to arrive and they finally did. And so I'm just recording this video, no prep. You're gonna see the stuff as I see it. So first of all, I got the blending brushes. I'm excited to try these out and I'll show you what these are used for in a future video. I've got, I needed a set for Easter. I didn't have one and I just thought this lamb was so super cute. Oh my gosh, can't wait to color him or her. Okay. This bundle, I was so really looking forward to. The sweet ice cream. It comes with a punch and I'm planning on doing a video all about punches. Depending when this goes up, it'll be next week. And I've got a project in mind with this. I'm really looking forward to doing that. This is the Always in My Heart. I got it with the bundle with the floral dies. I just want to, mind me just ripping this open to show you, because when I saw this die in the catalog, look at that heart die. That's gonna make an amazing card. Can't wait to start playing with that. And that goes with the stamp set. It's a bundle. Okay. I was also actually pretty excited about this. These are all sentiments. There's inside and outside matching sentiments. If you're just looking to start out with one stamp set, you cannot go wrong with this, because you can make a birthday card, a thank you card, thinking of you, congratulations, and they all have the sentiments that you can put on the inside. And this is coordinated to go along with several different punches. I'll probably show that in my punch video that's coming up. I got some inking supplies that I needed. Then these two items I got for free out of Salebration because I ordered all this other stuff. I fell in love with this A Touch of Ink stamp set, and I saw some really pretty cards made with this. Also, this is the ombre paper. Stamp it aside as I show you things. Try to open it. And of course, the reason I needed the ombre paper, which I'm not going to be able to open it on camera, is because it's purple. And if you know me, everything I do is in purple. And look at this beautiful purple. And then it's that Rococo rose color that's really pretty. And the other side, I saw someone do a seaside card with this, and I have so many seaside stamps that I'm going to do something like that. I'm not so sure about the green. I might end up using, I'm not a big green fan, so I might end up most likely using the purple side of it. And to go with that, I've got the purple pearls. Once again, had to have them. They're purple. This is another stamp set. I didn't have any Mother's Day stamps. It's got some gorgeous dies as well. See that window over there? And sorry, my lights are shifting. I saw this in the catalog and I thought I've been wanting to make like a window card for a while. And so look, you can make like a window. These are great for like a housewarming card. They've got, they coordinate with the stamp set. So this little picture, these flowers, you can all cut them out with this die set. And then last but not least, actually two things that are really awesome. Two last but not least is three is the designer series paper. This is the set that comes with the ice cream suite. I don't know the name of it off the top of my head. I'm just trying to cut this open without destroying it so I can show you what it looks like. And this coordinates with the punch and the stamps. So as I said, I'm really excited. I'm going to be making this ice cream card that I designed on paper, and I've just been waiting to get this set because all I wanted to do was make this ice cream card. You can punch out ice cream cones in different colors. And then the other side, sprinkles, or as my grandmother used to call them, jimmies. And then these pretty neutral patterns that are pretty cool. Polka dots, who doesn't love polka dots? Once again, purple. And then, I think I went past it. There is one that, there we go. Looks like an ice cream cone. So when I punch this out with the ice cream punch, it's going to look like an ice cream cone. So I'm super excited about that. And it's just great. It could be a birthday card, thinking of you card, hey, we're happy it's summer card. A lot of great things you can do with that. Now, these two packs of paper go with this set for, it's a mess over here, the heart set that I showed you earlier. So this is, if I remember, this set of, this is the black and white paper that I'm really interested. I love to color, and I'm looking forward to coloring this paper. Once again, I won't be able to get it out on camera. That's the magic of live television, right? So it's got these really beautiful flowers that I'm going to look forward to coloring and cutting out and putting them on card fronts. It does look a lot like an adult coloring book. Now the back, the patterns are a little busy. I did agree with that, but I have the zebra stamp set. So I'm thinking of making a zebra card with this black and white stripes. Also, I have the chess, if you saw my other video with the game on, and I think that would go really well with the black and white as well. So a lot of uses for this set. And then lastly, I don't know how this is going to show up on camera. I've seen it in some other YouTube videos, and it's a little bit, anytime you've got like that gold paper, it'll reflect, and you just won't be able to see how beautiful it is in person. But look at this. Oh yeah, the camera does not do it justice. It's like this beautiful pink, rosy pink color with like this rose gold pattern. And this is the little darker pink. Oh man, this is just, oh, this is too pretty to use. I hate saying that because I don't want to hoard paper, I want to use it. And this is more like a sand color. So this would be good like for like a background, and then you can have a pretty image on the front. So you get these three colors. And like I said, the camera just does not do it justice. Just to give somebody this card, the beautiful gold foiling in it. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Okay, so that's the last item in my box. If you are interested in me sending you a catalog, or subscribing to Paper Pumpkin, or any of the products I showed today, shoot me an email, leave me a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.